Hi, I'm James Shillinglaw. I'm here with Georgi Akirov, who is chairman of Set Hotels. Now, what's Set Hotels? Well, that's what we're here to find out. And this is Insider Travel Report. Now, Georgi, first of all, the question is, what is Set Hotels? When did you found it, and what does it include right now?
The Set Hotels is actually a new collection of hotels. We started in Europe in 2011. We opened the first hotel, and I think what it does, it takes buildings, hotels with long heritage, buildings that have been, for more than 100 years. Some of them were...
Sort of the classics, or the old historic hotels. Right?
Yes, and then what we do, we try to bring a more contemporary design, more current lifestyle into the hotels. We always team up with a leading architect who would bring the locality of the city in each hotel and make it a grand modern palace hotel. The first one was established in Amsterdam, the Conservatorium, which became, and we're very happy about it, a destination hotel in Europe, working really well. We have visitors who come not only to see the hotel, but also to have the experience of Amsterdam. It's all starting, within the hotel, because the locality is already in the hotel. The service we give, the food we have in the hotel, gastronomy for us is very, very important. Then we moved to London. The second hotel was in London, Café Royal. Again, a building that hosted all the who's and who's of London from 1865, from Oscar Wilde, Virginia Woolf, and of course the Rolling Stones, David Bowie. Again,
even more important, right?
Everybody's important, but it's building with a long heritage.
Right.
Again, we converted it and we launched it in 2013 to become a grand hotel in London.
Okay.
A very unique location for the hotels. The Café Royal is between Mayfair and Soho and St. James, so it was always a place of great mind becoming together. One thing we try to do in the set is to make every hotel to be a living room of the city. If you come to the hotel, you would really feel the locality through the food served, but also through the people who will be in the different venues. We got very nice bars and restaurant, and of course, to complement the experience, we have a well-being Akasha, 10,000 square feet in every hotel of well-being center.
Wow, that's a major spa in a city hotel. That's pretty good.
Very good, with gym and also a lot of members, so hotel guests, again, can interact. And the idea is always to take a grand hotel, to live the individuality of the hotel, but again to make it with contemporary parts of it, especially the accommodations, because many of the public rooms are historical and listed. And I think what it gives our clients is really to have a beautiful experience. To be in the hotel, to find out, to be intrigued, to be inspired. And that's something that also now with Lutetia. Yeah, very excited about that. That's going to be the only palace hotel on the left bank. They very much loved, Saint-Germain and the Lutetia hotel coming back after 4 years of renovation. It used to be 230 rooms hotel. Will be now 180. We made it, bigger rooms, bigger suites, and working with one of France's most talented architects, Jean-Michel Wilmot, with a lot of passion to bring back, Lutetia. The hotel opened in 1910, part of the Beaumarchais, so long history. And, after 4 years of renovation, it will be a Parisian jewel. It will be very much, the character of Saint-Germain. The hotel has got a lot of elements of Art Deco and Art Nouveau. So we built on that, and the accommodations, again, are going to be very, very new, with French touch, with a Saint-Germain feel. I think it will give a very unique experience to explore Lutetia again, which was always the living room of Saint-Germain, to become again.
Yeah, now that opens when? May 1st?
May 15th.
May 15th, okay.
Yeah.
And all these hotels do include, gourmet restaurants and things like that too.
Although, gastronomy for us is very, very important. We want to give, the current lifestyle for our visitors and guests, and gastronomy is very, very important. In Lutetia, we'll have the executive chef of the hotel having, the bar, the restaurant, but also we have the brasserie of the hotel. We have chosen Gérald Paseda, with a 3-star Michelin chef from the French Riviera, from Marseille, and that will be another part of the hotel. The Lutetia brasserie always serve the neighborhood, and again, to be part of the neighborhood. So again, hotel guests can come and enjoy and feel Parisian and be with the locals.
Yeah. Now, our viewers here are travel agents. What would you tell them about how to sell your 3 hotels now?
I think, you know, the major part is people who want really to have like a grand dam hotels. We are modern palaces hotel. We respect very much the heritage, but we also bring, you know, contemporary design into it, which is ageless. We complete, you know, the experience with a very strong gastronomy offering, but also well-being. And locality. Locality is something very, very important. People who stay in our hotel are very much feeling the locality through the food offering, through the service quality, and through the design.
Yeah.
So if you want to stay in Paris and feel Parisian, it's the Lutetia. The same thing with the Conservatorium. Also the location. Our locations are very, very unique. They're always embedded in the localities. So if it's Lutetia, Saint-Germain, if it is Conservatorium in the Museum District, if it is Café Royal, it's between Mayfair and Soho. I think, you know, it's the center of every buzzing city. This is something for us very, very important.
Now, you have the 3 classic hotels now. Are you looking for more, and are you identifying certain cities where you want to be?
Yeah, absolutely. I think, you know, that the set wants to grow and bring more these kind of experiences, which means hotels that got the same kind of features like grand dam hotels, you know, modern palaces, but at the same time keeping very much the locality, the individuality. So we're looking to expand more in Europe and having other cities and keeping, you know, the characteristics of the set.
Yeah, so right now it's going to be focused on Europe at the moment, right?
Europe, yes, but possibly also New York. Also New York as well.
Everybody wants to be here. I don't know why.
New York is, you know, is a very important place. You know, like Paris and London in Europe, and then, you know, you got Amsterdam and the other cities. I mean, I think New York for the U.S. market is a major place.
Well, maybe you and I should go out scouting here in New York for one of those classic buildings that we can find and make into a hotel, right?
Yeah, it's a very nice day, so we can do that.
Okay. Well, Georgi, thank you very much for filling us in on the Set Hotels. 3 Grand Dam properties, all brandly new renovated, and one coming up May 15th, Paris. So you have Amsterdam, London, and now Paris. Good luck with the opening of Lutetia, and good luck with the future.
Thank you very much. Very nice to speak to you.
I'm James Shillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.